Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The wheel of technological development is growing rapidly. The web is developing into a tool that is not only able to provide information, but is also able to process information. The process of processing information by utilizing web technology causes the web to become a dynamic medium. This requires decisive technical means. These tools depend a lot on the use of software that is strong, secure, reliable, and fast. And introduce, my name is Dini Aryani, majoring in Informatics Engineering of Nusa Putra University, which on this occasion I will discuss about the introduction of web programming as one of the fields of information technology that is currently very much needed. Web programming development timeline. In October 1990, Tim Berners-Lee specified three fundamental technologies that form the basis of the web we access today. The three technologies are HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, common formats used in web programming, including the ability to link one document to another. 2. URI, Uniform Resource Identifier, is a unique address that characterizes a document on web. 3. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, a protocol that is used to connect every document scattered on the internet. Finally, in 1994, the World Wide Web Consortium was born as a place to unify the specification and instruction for web programming, so that it can work for everyone according to their respective interests. Around 1994, Rasmus Leifer created several common gateway interface programs in C and for which he used for his personal homepage. Then he developed it so that it could be run in web format and connect to a database, which was the name Personal Homepage, or PHP. In 1997, Zip Zuralski and Andy Gutman rewrote the PHP structure on which PHP 3 was based and changed its name to Hypertext Preprocessor. PHP 3 was then publicly tested and finally released in June 1998. After that, PHP underwent several developments until finally on December 6, 2018, the latest version of PHP was launched, namely PHP 7.3. These three basic web programming languages have finally created a variety of website and web applications that we can enjoy today. And this is an example of PHP programming source code. MySQL is a database management system using SQL, or structured query language comments that are widely used today in making web-based applications. MySQL is divided into two lessons. The first is free software, where the software can be accessed by anyone, and second is shareware, where proprietary software has a limitation in its use. MySQL is included in the RDBMS, or Relational Database Management System, so using tables, columns, rows in its database structure. So in the process of data collection using the relational database method, and also a liaison between the software and the database server. JavaScript is language in the form of collection of scripts that serve to provide a more interactive appearance on web documents. In other words, this language is a programming language to provide additional capability to the HTML programming language by allowing the execution of commands on the client side and not the server side of web documents. In essence, the JavaScript programming language contains script whose installation is tucked away in an HTML document. so that this JavaScript language does not require special compiler or interpreter to execute it. It also depends on the navigator built into each browser. CSS is cascading style set language and usually used to set the appearance of elements written in a markup language such as HTML. CSS server to separate content from its visual appearance on the site. CSS was created and developed by the World Wide Web Consortium in 1996 for simple reason. In the past, HTML was not equipped with tags that function to format page. You just need to write the markup for the site. That's all I can say. Sorry if there are mistakes. Thank you for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.